Hi, I'm Karen Telfer. I am the head behind the hands. Thank you so much for joining me today on this Lavinia Stamps extravaganza. So I'm popping in to say hello and thank you. Thank you for all your support, following me on my video tutorials. I really appreciate it. I've been on the Lavinia Stamps design team since 2018. I love the products, which I'm sure you can understand when I wax lyrical about them in my videos. You can join me on my social media channels, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and my YouTube channel. I'm Karen Telfer Craft. Thank you so much. We'll get making. Hi everyone, it's Karen here. Welcome to my video tutorial today with you, where I'm going to show you how I created this really simple and elegant card. It can suit itself to any occasion. I've used just 2 colours in Distress Oxides and this beautiful new stamp from Lavinia. We'll get started. So I've got my A5 card that I folded in half to create an A6 size, and I'm going to take my low tack stencil tape and I'm going to create my panel in the centre by taping 1 piece along the top and 2 pieces along the bottom. I'm using Sweet Poppy stencil low tack tape. It is the best low tack tape that I found because it doesn't mark the card. And in a card as simple and as elegant as this, that's what we need. I'm going to take my blending sponge, ink it up, and I'm just going to feather the bottom of the card. I'm going to bring this ink gently up from the bottom using my blending sponge. So you could see what I was doing there was pulling the ink from the bottom up to the middle of the card, so that I've got this shaded look here. Now I'm going to go in with my picked raspberry and I'm going to come down from the top, pulling the ink again. And because it's oxides, it blends really well. So if you get a mark somewhere in it, no worries, you can just pull it down again. So these 2 colours are going to blend beautifully together in the centre. I've just got the pink coming too much down. So I'm really happy with that. And now, easily and simply, we can just pull away that low tack tape. And you can see no marks whatsoever. Really simple, elegant little panel there. And now I'm going to take this beautiful Lilium stamp. The detail in it is incredible. I'm inking it up with Nocturne. And honestly, the VersaFine Clairs here give you such a crisp, clear image, and you definitely will need that for the detail on this stamp. So I'm just going to stamp it making sure that I press down fully, because each of these tiny little petals has amazing detail. Beautiful. So you can see I started it a couple of centimetres, no, a couple of millimetres in from the side of the panel here. And it just sits so elegantly over the centre of that panel. And then I'm going to take the beautiful sentiment stamp which says, "Every dream begins with a wish." And I'm going to stamp that just here. So beautifully elegant. And then the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to round the edges of the card. That's an optional extra, but I think it gives it something a little more. So there we have something really quick, really simple, but ever so elegant. Thanks so much for watching. I'd love to see what you make. Bye for now.